Welcome back to another episode. I'm in the middle of nowhere. I've come from that way, obviously, and I'm heading that way, obviously. Let's have a look, That's the track. And that's where I'm going. It's lunchtime, so I thought I'd pull over here. There's a little track running off, so I thought, safe spot to pull up and let traffic past. Tell the truth, I haven't seen anyone in a couple of days. How good. How good. But what a spot. I love this bush out here. This is so nice. This is awesome. I don't think there's been anyone on this track for a long time. It's very, how can you say, washed out. And no fresh tyre tracks. I think I'm the only one at the moment in the last probably, 3 months, 6 months. So it's nice, it's good. But I'm starving, I'm hungry. It's lunch. I've got to have a feed. A feed and a drink. Oh, something I cooked earlier and wrapped it in a Coles or Woolies packet. The Danish. Oh. I'm a good cook, eh? Well, can't sit here all day. Got to go find this old ruin. Drink for the drive. And see you when we get there. Phew. Alright, let's check this place out. At first, I'm going to need a hat because that sun will burn my little melon. There we go. Look the part now, kind of fit in a little bit, don't I? Oh wow, an old trough. Pretty it's upside down, but yeah. A lot of rubbish. At least it's piled up over there. Looks neat, Tree around growing out of a drum. Oh man, this would have been, back in the day, cattle, sheep, whatever it was. Look how cleared it is over there. They've cleared all that. Because driving here, it was bush like that over there. Here, it's cleared. Oh, let's walk around here. See what we've got. Alright. Man. Old jars and people's rubbish. Looks like they've been setting them up there to shoot. Which is fine, I suppose, but take them. That's disappointing. First one. That's modern people. Not these people that left here. Abandoned it. Moved on. Oh God. It's a shame. Batteries. Don't think you get much start out of them. How nice would it be to restore this old building? Redo the bricks, redo everything. Put a nice roof on it. It would look really good. And you'd have a hell of a view. Look at that for a view. There's a dam over there. We'll go over there later and see if there's any water in it. I'm not sure if there is, but we'll have a look. A lot of rubbish around. Don't think I'll be walking barefoot around here. There's bits of glass everywhere. But that's alright. I can handle it. I mean, just wear me thongs. Won't I? You'd see people coming for miles. You'd see your neighbours coming. That's for sure. I don't know how close your neighbours are. I think they're a fair way away. Oh, man. I don't know much history about this old homestead. They've had power, though, because there's solar lights there. Unless someone's brought them out here and dumped it, which I can't see that happening. Oh, man. It's a shame. I'm guessing that's where the water tank was. They probably pumped it up from the dam there if there's a good source. I'm guessing. Don't know. More cans. People have left, which is a shame. Surprised that tree's still growing there. Yowza, I think something bit me. Ah, new ladder for the rooftop tent. I think I can hear a plane. The old boiler. Definitely no water in that tank. Just rubbish, probably. Alright, let's go in. Wow. Old ruins. Oh, wire. Someone's pillow and boots. Little old door. And the old fireplace. How cool. Bet that's had some meals cooked in it. Unearthed adventures. And all men belong in the men's shed. I don't think this place is that old. Oh, some more old stoves. Electrical cable hanging down. So they must have had power. And the roof collapsing, that one. Can't go in there. Oh. Pretty cool when you think about it. Would have been, back in the day, would have been awesome living out here. Definitely need thongs here. There's prickles. That one hurt. It flicked up in between me thong and me foot. But, oh yeah, look at that. Imagine spiking onto that. Ouch. Well, got to decide what to do. I either keep trekking along or I stay here for the night. Let's have a think. Just driving out to go look at the dam, and up the track is I don't know if you call them a flock or what, of emus. So I'll have some visitors if I stay here tonight. At the moment, though, I'm not too sure. I'm going to go check out the dam now and see any water in it. But man, what a spot. All right. Oh, this hat always. Where's my sunnies? Oh, no, sit properly then. Oh. Whoa. That looks like either horses or camels. I'm going to say camels. Hoofs. Oh, that would be cool to see. Bunch of camels around. Oh, that would be awesome. I wonder if there's any water in here. I really do. Oh, check that out. Heaps of water. Absolutely heaps. No way. God, if you wanted to go for a swim, you could, but it's only 26 degrees, so I don't think I will be. It's a bit brown. A bit brown and yucky. Man, damn water. I probably still would go in. Let's feel it, eh? Oh, that is cold. Now I've got a wet toe. Wow. I wonder if there's marron in there. Like, it's only just started sort of like winter season. So, like, we're what? May. Haven't had that much rain. So that's pretty cool to know there's that much water in here. That's awesome. They'd probably have water all year round. Looks like that's where it flows out there. And flows out when it's full. So it must be a permanent water source. That's awesome. That is pretty cool. I made a decision not to camp there. There was a couple of miners, like their own gold mine, just over the ridge. And I thought, nah, I like being away from people. There was no real sign of anyone else camping there, so I didn't, apart from the rubbish left there. But they were pretty old, so I didn't really want to intrigue or, you know, get there to upset them or anything. So I've moved on. Got another spot I'm hoping to get to. But it was pretty cool seeing that old homestead, I must say. But there was a lot of rubbish there, which is a shame. Needs a good tidy up. Alright, let's get trekking. I found camp. I'm just trying to figure out where to park. I got water frontage, or I can park elsewhere and have no water frontage. Like, it's not huge, like nice little dam, you know. Just trying to figure out where to camp. I made it. As you can see, I've got some wood up on the roof and everything. I'm level. I'm going to put my fire here. It's getting cold. There are some clouds in the sky. I've got to get a bit more wood. I've got to try and find it here. I should be all right. But, oh, nice little spot. No one around. My own private little swimming pool. Let's get this wood off. Let's get everything ready. I've got to cook on the fire tonight. I don't know if I'm going to get this all done. All right, let's get this all off. Flies are friendly too. I've got to set up, make my bed. Oh. The wood is very brittle. It will burn quick, which will suck. There we go. Now that should go. Trackies are on. I had to warm up. It's getting cold. So yeah, trackies are on. Flies are hideous around here. They're just not leaving me alone. Oh, but the bourbon's going down good, thanks. Fire's going nice. I'm going to have some coals soon. Be able to cook my steak, which I should get out of the fridge. Oh. Oh. I'll do that now while I think about it. There we go. Nice bit of marinated meat there. Flies would love it. Time to get my fry pan out. Haven't used this one in a while. There we go. Second thing. Whoa, dragonfly. I don't think I'm going to get too many, like, oh, look at that baby. Too many bugs, like mozzies tonight, I don't think. There's not much movement on the water. Oh. Oh. Might have to get me shovel. This is going to burn quick, this wood. Might be an early night. I might have to hit the sack early due to no wood. I drove past so much wood too that would have been perfect. But, typical me, left it to the last minute. Oh, I need some oil. Sure, I got some somewhere. No, bugger. That's right, I took it out of the car. Ran out at home.